going on, guys? I just wanted to do a little thing and I'll show you what the fireworks are and I'll tell you what they do. Okay, let's get the first one out. This one right here. Chinese New Year by Miracle Fireworks. And warning, shoots flaming balls and reports. It's use only, close adult supervision for outdoor use only. Do not hold in hand, place upright, and use only on concrete, asphalt, or other hard level surface. This item may tip over if on grass or other uneven surfaces, and serious injury could result. Never have any part of your body over the device when lighting the fuse. Light a fuse and get away. Never relight a fuse that fails to ignite the device. Okay, that's the first one. And it just says on the side, warning, may reignite, soak with water after use. And yeah, that's it. Oh, and it also says consumer fireworks. Next one on the list is this one. Garden and Spring, Miracle Fireworks, Consumer Fireworks, 7 shots. Oh, this one's 7 shots. This one's also 7 shots. The Chinese New Year one is 7 shots. Garden and Spring, Miracle Fireworks. Warning. It emits showers of sparks and shoots flaming balls and reports. It's used only under or close adult supervision for outdoor use only. Do not hold in hand. Never have any part of your body over the device when lighting the fuse. Light the fuse and get away. Never relight fuse that fails to ignite the device. Place upright and use only on concrete, asphalt, or other hard level surface. This item may tip over and use on grass or other uneven surfaces. And a serious injury could result. Made in China. And this one's also made in China because it's Chinese New Year. We're gonna do this one next. 6 baby dictatorial penguins. Warning, shoots flaming balls with reports. Carefully read additional wording on side panel. Consumer fireworks made in China. And yeah. This is what it does. It does that, or that. And it's called Wild Bull by King Claw. I just need to set this down. Those are the fireworks we've read so far. Next one is gonna be these crackling balls. Crackling balls, 6 6 of them. It's crackling sparks. Use only adult supervision for outdoor use only. Do not hold in hand. Lie on ground. Light fuse and get away. That's what it is. Some crackling balls. Okay, next one we have is gonna be in here. It's gonna be the fidget spinner firework. Fidget spinner, caution. Spins on ground, emits flames and sparks. Carefully read warning on the other side. There isn't any warning on the other side. That's the warning. Next one. The Ladybug's firework. So these ones, it says as ladybugs. Warning, spins upward, but shows the sparks. Carefully read warning on other side. Performance description. Spins with whistle and flies off with green lights. Warning, spins upward and it shows the sparks. Only under close adult supervision for outdoor use only. Place on hard open surface. Do not hold in hand. Light fuse and get away. That's it for that one. Definitely has a lot. And next one we're gonna do is this fountain right here. If you don't know what a fountain is, it just shoots sparks. Fuse. Warning, may reignite, soak with water after use. Do not place any part of your body over a firework device. Unicorn. Great Grizzly, Fountain, and warning. Emits showers of sparks. Use only under close adult supervision. For outdoor use only. Place on level surface. Do not hold in hand. Light fuse and get away. Item description. Green, purple, flutters to gold. Crackling to red and green and crackle. To gold and green whistle. Safe and sane. And yeah. And that's it for this firework. Open. Next one we have is this color pearl one. 96 shots. Warning, shoots flaming balls. Reports. Use only close adult supervision. For outdoor use only. Do not hold in hand. And place upright and use only on the concrete, asphalt, or other hard level surface. This item may tip over if used on grass, s, 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 or, or other uneven surfaces, and serious injury could result. Never have any part of your body over a device when lighting the fuse. Light the fuse and get away. Never light a fuse that fails to ignite the device. Okay. By Miracle Fireworks. And that's that one. Last but certainly not least, we have this one. Blue Stars. Warning. May reignite soap with water after use. Miracle Fireworks. Warning. Emit shells of sparks, shoots flaming balls, and reports. Use only under close adult supervision. For outdoor use only. Do not hold in hand. Never have any part of your body over the device when lighting the fuse. Light the fuse and get away. Never relight a fuse that fails to ignite the device. Place upright and use only on concrete, asphalt, or other hard level surface. This item may tip over if used on grass or other uneven surfaces. Serious injury could result. And that's it. If you like and subscribe, and you'll get one of these fireworks. Okay, bye.